Hey there! Today, we've got some exciting news that's going to make your gift-giving experience even more unforgettable. I'd like to introduce you to our newest offering on the GiftPak platform, Travel Experiences. These experiences aren't just gifts, they are opportunities to create cherished memories, embark on exciting adventures, and strengthen connections. Let me give you a sneak peek into what's in store. To start, log into your dashboard at giftpak.ai. Then, click the Create Order and Pick Gifts Myself buttons. Under the filters, select the Life Experiences category and save your preference. Next, set your budget and explore our wide array of experience offerings. From wine tastings to helicopter tours, there is something to delight every gift recipient and fit every budget. Imagine a world where corporate gifting goes beyond the traditional, where memorable experiences are the true gift that keeps on giving. With GiftPak's Travel Experiences, we're taking corporate gifting to the next level. Until next time, happy gifting! Thank you so much for watching. You can find more useful videos below.